everyone, I'm going to show you how to build a television aerial antenna and a satellite dish for a 30-degree slope roof for today's Lego brick tutorial. Let's build a portion of a roof starting with a 6x8 plate. In the back I'm going to set down a 1x6 brick and a pair of 1x3 bricks. Then I'm going to place a 1x6 brick right here, followed by a pair of 3x4 slopes. This is going to be our 30-degree slope roof. Take a 1x2 plate with top holder. I'm going to set down a 1x1 by 2/3 slope where it's facing towards the holder. Then I'm going to take one of these sticks that accepts a shaft or stick, set that right in the holder. Now we're going to make two of these. I want to skip a stud, set this one on the left hand side, take the other one, skip a stud, and set this over here. Now it depends on how big your roof is. You can place these anywhere you wish. This is just for an example. For our next layer of roof, start with a set of 1x4 bricks. Place these in the back, and in the middle a 3x4 slope. Now I want to surround these aerial holders, that's what I'm calling them, with a set of 1x3 slopes. And on the top, a pair of 2x4 ridge slopes. Crown off the top of the roof. For a satellite dish, take a 3x3 parabola. I'm going to take a ball with stick, place the stick inside the hole. And what I want to do is stick this portion of the stick that's through the dish inside this, like so. Make sure your dish is pressed all the way down where it's flush. Makes a nice satellite dish. Let's start with a 4-stud long stick for a television antenna. Then I'm going to take 4 stick with holders. I'm going to place 4 of them on the top portion. And what we want to do is we're going to alternate these. It doesn't matter if they're really straight. I'll straighten them out in a bit. Just place those right down in there. And then take one of these holders that accepts a stick, place that right in the middle. And then we're going to continue on with our pattern with 4 more stick with holders. So we'll place that one right there, and we'll just continue on. Get that last one right there. And take another 4-stud long stick. Let's place that right inside this holder. Now it doesn't really matter how straight these are. Try to get them as best you can. But it doesn't really matter anyways, because usually the pigeons land on your TV antenna and they'll bend them. So you got to make it look as realistic as possible. But there is your television antenna aerial. Now let's take our television aerial. We're going to set this right inside like so. Makes a nice handy television antenna complete with satellite dish.